games. What are you getting? What's good right now? What kind of games do you play? Oh my god, I'm actually so excited, Crit. This is gonna be fun. Girl Squad, we look very cute. All four of us. Very cute. An 8 and I match. Is it you putting in Crow's Eye, Robin? Is that your favorite map? Oh, Cyberpunk DLC. Oh, and Baldur's Gate 3. Fuck, that's an expensive game. You love it, D. So does Joel. It's his favorite map. Phantom Liberty. Is that the DLC? Alright, let's do it again. It's a Becky. Please don't be a mimic. Please don't be a mimic. Thank you very much. See my butt? Chest. Here we go. Here we go. Cyberpunk worth it, guys? Damn, no beamer. No, rubbing down. I'm gonna quickly go and check if Totem is upstairs. So that would be fucking amazing. Is it there? Wait. Oh, wait, what happened? Whoa, wait, I thought Robin went down. Where's the fucking totem? Hello? Wanna play with me? No. I guess not. Where's the totem, guys? Am I fucking blind? Am I a rat? A blind rat? It's way worth it. It's buggy. Depends on the computer. Oh, I have a pretty shit computer. Maybe it wouldn't. He's coming. He's coming. He's undetectable. I don't know whether he's going for... Yeah, he is going for me. Okay. Oh! Oh, that was smart. That was very smart. Well, we haven't had a Vecna in a good minute. Ooh! I was lucky. Oh, hi. A butt rub. Is that a tattoo? Oh my god, that is so cute. I want that skin. Oh my god, I really want this. Is it expensive? I think I want the skin. I think I want it. It's $15. I want it. It's actually so cute. I love butterflies and it's pink. And she has pink hair, like pink tips. Oopsies. Oh, as if. Wow, he recovered fast. Oh. Oh! What? That was so strange. He's so cute! Yeah. Guys! He's so cute! We could match. I don't know if he would. I forgot I still had orc cells, so should I spend them? Yes, you should. You should get Christmas Jane. Even Marie's getting it. I think they want me to get... Oh! I think we tamed him. We did it. Oh, I love him. I love him. Why are my legs white? Did Jane come? What the hell? Hello? I'm coming. You want some of this? He's scared of me. Yee.
From the dark.
Who do you main crit on DBD? Thank you. Need a boon. Boon, boon, boon. Where are the boons? Is this a mimic? This feels like a mimic. It's not a mimic. Ooh. I'm not even looking at what I'm grabbing. I'm just picking it up. Grab it in the chat, everybody. I'm out of Pokeballs. Wait. What about an Ultra Ball? Okay, I have an Ultra Ball. Time to buy some Pokeballs.